Welcome class second. We have already recited the poem Daddy Fell into the Pond. Today we will do exercises. So firstly write date. Okay. And lesson 3. Write lesson 3 in the middle of first line, and then lesson name. What is the poem name? Daddy fell into the pond. Okay. Firstly we will do keywords. Write keywords here. So always we write keywords in some picture. So here also we will draw. This is a tree, and here a pond is there. So we will write here some hard words. So hard word I am going to write everyone means all. Nothing. Dismal. It means dull, boring. Then merry. It means happy. Delight. It means also happy. Daft means fool. Respond, to give answer. Now we will do question answer from page number 28. Question answer. Write heading with pencil in a neat and clean writing. So our first question, firstly we will write. First question is, why was everyone grumbling? Grumbling means complaining. Why was everyone grumbling? Why? Because the day was very dull. Day was dull. Because of dull day, everyone was grumbling. They was complaining. Write next question. Question number 2. Leave one line and write which incident changed the everyone's mood. So which incident? So the incident when Daddy fell into the pond. When Daddy fell into the pond. So this incident make everyone happy. Write true or false. Write true means the sentence which is right, you will write true in front of this, or false, the sentence which is wrong, you will write false in front of that sentence. So firstly we will write all sentences one by one from page number 27. So our first sentence is, it was the end of a dismal day. So this is true or false? It means it is wrong or right. So it is right, so we will write true here. Okay, after writing it, draw cloud. Second sentence is, the gardener fell into the pond. So is it right or wrong? No, Daddy fell into the pond, so it is false. Third one, Timothy danced with sheer delight. Is it correct? Yes, this is true sentence. Third is Daddy crawled out of the duckweed. Yes, true. They come out, na, Daddy? Yes. The old rag slapped his knee and doubled up. No, gardener slapped his knee. So this is false sentence. So activity now we will do. Activity name is sources of water. In EVS also you have learned about it. Sources, SURCES. Okay, sources of water. It means from where we get water. So main source of the water is, so we will draw 4 sources. Firstly, with scale we will make 4 part of a page. Okay, so main source of the water is rain. What? Draw picture very clearly, properly. Okay, so this is rain and write here spelling too. This is the main source of a water. Now next what we can draw? Pond. Okay, pond, which this is the tree, this is pond here. So pond is the next source of water. You can draw yourself: well, river, ocean, sea, hand pump. So many sources of water are there. So 2 more we will draw. This is called well. Next, and this is river. You also draw the picture, complete your word, draw the picture and color, do color. Okay, thank you.